Hello everyone, we're gonna do some cooking today. We're gonna cook some sweet potatoes. See, these are orangey sweet potatoes. And they might not look so good right now, but once we're done with this, it's gonna be special and very tasty. Just watch. The only ingredients that we'll be using are the sweet potatoes and this evaporated milk. And of course, sugar. Okay, so this is how we do it. Alright, so we've got our ingredients, our sweet potato. So these came from the grocery store. See how orange they are? What are these called? Sweet potatoes. Yeah, but sometimes, you know, some sweet potatoes are whitish, some have a bit of an orange tint in their meat or whatever. Anyway, we got our milk, we got our sugar, so we're ready. So the first thing we'll do is to peel the sweet potatoes. Okay, how many sweet potatoes do we need?
2 or 3.
This is 1/2 of a sweet potato. So just use your hands when peeling. But of course, when you do buy your sweet potatoes, make sure to boil them first, because you won't be able to use them if you don't boil them first. So how long were these sweet potatoes boiled?
Half an hour.
So half an hour. So these sweet potatoes were boiled for half an hour. So you do the same.
Yes.
Some sweet potatoes can be tough, quite tough. So if you got those, you just need to boil them for a little bit longer than half an hour. Maybe closer to an hour. Okay, see how soft they are? See? You can easily break this open. Okay. See that? So I've got 1/2 of a sweet potato peeled. So which one? Okay, see those marks? Those are fork marks. So in order to check if they're cooked, you just pinch them with a fork. So if they're soft, then you know it's cooked. So once they're peeled, all you have to do is to kind of slice them with a knife to get those nice thin slices of sweet potatoes. I'm not exactly sure I'm doing it correctly. I'm just pinching the skin off the sweet potato. And I think I'm pinching off more than the skin. It's actually tasty. Tastes a bit sweet. That's why it's called sweet potato. If you don't like to use a knife, you can just do this. See? Just use your fingers.
And fork.
And you can also use a fork if you want to. Just scrape off the meat. And you pull up. If you pull up the meat like this, you get something like a French fry shape. Always wash your hands first. You're almost done. Just try the sweet potato. Okay, this is what we have. See, what do you call this?
Smash.
Mashed potato. Smashed sweet potato. Now you get your milk, you get your evaporated milk and just pour it onto the sweet potato. Generously pour the milk. How much milk for this bowl? Okay, let me show you. So there, you've got the milk in there, and then
Depende sa tamis na like.
if you like it sweet, add a lot of sugar. But I know some of you there don't like to use too much sugar because it's not healthy. It can be fattening. So you can use just a little bit of sugar since this is already sweet. It's a sweet potato after all. So if you're familiar with guacamole, it's something similar. It's of course it's not really guacamole because we're not using avocado. We're using sweet potato. So I'm not sure. Maybe we can call it sweet potato guacamole. Can we call it that? Or what? Potato mole? Sweet potato mole? Guaca potato?
Guaca is what?
I don't know. So I'm not even sure where that name came from. You know, guacamole. Is it
Taste mo kung okay yung
from
sa
Mexico?
tamis.
Okay, so
Just that part. Ganitong
is this
texture.
done?
Mm.
Okay, let me have that spoon. Okay, so this is our final product. Our guacamole sweet potato. Okay, let me taste it. Oh, yeah, delicious. It's really, it has that texture of guacamole, but it has more fibers and it's sweet. I think it needs more milk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good snack. If you need carbs, this is the meal to take.
Add more milk.
I'm gonna add more milk. I have an idea. If you can put this in a blender, you can actually make something of a smoothie out of this. And I think it's going to be a fantastic smoothie. A sweet potato smoothie? I haven't heard of that before. But I think we can make it from this. Well, we got Yana bananas. Yeah. But would you like to eat some guacamole sweet potato? Okay. She doesn't need to say anything. She just needs to take a bite. How do you like it? Good? Right guys, so that was a simple recipe that you can easily make on your own at home. Just get some sweet potatoes, boil them. Once they're soft enough, mash them up. Actually remove the skin first, add some milk, add a bit of sugar. You know, sweet potatoes are actually very common here in the Philippines. They're everywhere and they're so cheap. It can be turned into potato chips, and I'm sure that if you make sweet potato guacamole, you'll really enjoy it. You know, just hold off a bit on the milk and sugar and you'll be fine.